so.
We just don't let me close the door. What is all this?
Maybe what is all this? Okay, and then we saw him. Sure. Open me out the catch them. So, so remember Chimpana. You are not catching them. Some Matias,
I don't like it.
And today I will pay free more.
So, you two, why have you called me?
I didn't know she again or pin for no. I'll go and say, Menino, dear, and cost 1 minute in them. I didn't cost a seminal. Ah, I didn't cost a dear friend, my seminal. What shall be a crime? Minnie Panocran free. As much as any Panobus say, I didn't cost 1 minute in them. What right do you have to ask that question?
I have every right. Because when I asked you, do you remember what you told me?
I told you what?
You told me that I should ask her myself. And then I met boy and I found her myself. You know me, when I want to know something, I will find out.
Precious.
I told you to tell me, didn't I?
Did I
tell me or not?
Does that concern you?
Did I tell? It's a yes or no question.
You told me.
I told you. And what did you tell me?
To go and confirm from the gate.
And I did. So why are you coming to fight with me?
So I didn't know the question straight. Now Busan say why I didn't be in Opoku.
Because I'm suspecting you two. I don't know what is going on between you two. How are you related to the girl? I want to know.
We are just cool.
You told me you didn't even know her. You told me you didn't even know her. How come you
are not cool? Say they cool are you? Me chese me to cool drinking water na man nso na eno cool ni bi. Adam to obi man no no me. Eno anu na say o twam bia o ye me hi asa.
Opoku. But if you don't tell me, I'll find out. Oh.
She nimo.
When I find out,
she nim.
I will tell everybody.
What? You
know you have 2 girls in this, and I say about Kuniweja.
You know me not.
If I hear anything related to anything, I will come and say.
Say to who?
And I should ask them.
Ask who?
Rachel.
That's what?
Because you guys are close, and our girl needs. By now she knows.
That's what?
So I'll ask her what is going on between you and that girl.
Assemble.
Just tell me.
Let me tell you one thing.
No.
Who say masem ko say atwun me particular wumi ankasa me ho
no
wumi anchia me twam
no
you know that you are not cool anymore.
We are cool.
We are not cool.
We are cool.
We are not cool. Frakonwa we are not cool.
Want to mean be near because you and I we are cool.
Oh that be
we are always cool. We've always been cool.
Or pray and we masem. The girl no meaning live here.
Okay.
Just that AEB keke. Meaning live here.
Okay, that AEB is what I want to find.
Oh, share me me channel.
Sure. If that is what you want me to think, sure.
Let's send home.
I will keep on doing my investigation.
What's my friend another?
I don't care.
I will
find out. I will find out.
Maybe son. Don't cause the no. Out to school man I won't chow. Oh, you know. Bon school man bon unim. She said they are concerned. Obi a school so be they are concerned.
I'm learning from you. I'm learning from the pro. I'm learning from you.
You see there from one to share kupeni dupe. You concern at me suan.
Seni who kupeni dupe no that's what you use.
My kube. Me boyfriend.
Kupe.
One be. Kupe one to share kupeni dupe.
You don't use that to gossip. What they hear?
Me kupeni me dupe.
What they hear?
Me fan di concern. Tama me ho akere me no. Unim Scottsfield. They didn't need prison breaking. No fast in me. Udim professor. They didn't need money heisting. No offer no. Enti kupeni dupe. I didn't demitrim no. I didn't need the dormitory and sa adwene na mo bi. Enti Scottsfield wa ha na professor wa. Tinu na ye kupeni dupe no. Enti bakasi javini niesta.
Okay.
It's no you soon the time I said finding ways and means be because anytime a problem there is a way.
That is what I'm also saying.
Oh then you concoursa. Oh then one from
I took it.
Oh for me
I took everything.
Sisia fanese school mo say bia yade bia ba school ma kwan be na minum yo never faso ye skip ye be dane free school ma.
Is that what you're asking me?
Say also family kupeni me into fanese.
So you want me to answer this question?
Why family kupeni me do pay o family concern.
So how would you answer that question?
Say more than me o say.
How would you answer the question you just asked me?
Say yade ba school ma na me no kwan be ne faso dane. F krama.
Okay.
Ebe tutu form.
Okay.
Ebe tu am na sa kopie kiditia. Na ewura mu na nim kom.
Mr. Benz. To be in calculation. Now, what is it?
Let me solve your
What's not a main say? Okay, it's in my campus. I'm the two.
for you.
Oh, relaxing. Your friend is saying, one day, no. Sorry, one day, no. Na me tell you, then question I'll be beside me. Na me wow.
Now, what's saying?
Menya me share ne kama.
That's all baby so be
me boa. So they na wo ye no the way na wo si kasa me wo no. What you say? Na say o ya tra limit kakra ntina e wo se me ma wanse bia e dem wa pese wo se bia obetwi afa me so akọ.
Ntenye obi bia ne kama.
Menya me hwe no na provisions na say mkra na kama no betimi ama provisions. Menya me hwe.
Inti wuni kama engineer baby endi nkomo na say wuni no mo ntwe mpnampo. Only some baby so ga chemi so obi bi ne kama.
Na me ka say de na wo ye no na anu
de na me ye nti e wan ka wo be den.
Oh.
Ha, o ma kasa boye ni basabasa pa.
When me so kona kopa na cho na me no kona.
Eni o so mo kopa na cho because o ma kasa ni nim rough enya right. Mati bibi ma baby sa o kana kwetwe me ade na wo so utwa me ntro.
Time me dey a cho peba.
But the way any de wan nya de and then no first and last enye biom. Enye biom because ene na mama o chance wetimi abetina me nchen a ye di nkomo kama a wo pa ma cho. Enye biom maybe crane si biom e mama ihu anase mama nte se one kama ejina baby e di nkomo anase mugina mo ko baby. What asem na maka cho no me mpesa ade no
na me nam campus cra me pe bibi woni why na my ma
na wo kama nde no wo akwa bibi woni wo ah enti je so sa be ko ni me beji o me di nkomo
me na nkasa
na maka cho no me mpesa meti bibi asa ebio na me mpesa me ankasa nso me hu bio better me di acho de pe bibi
What's when I'm in Angina?
Ade make us an issue jina menu. Nti so we ko.
Touch with me.
So beto sana mete ya.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months I drum meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me penkwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum meya. Me pesa me come any months so we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name.
Okay.
Okay.
Boys. You can say. And near some master teacher, see for master teacher and for master to my no quarantine names and the man to my man.
Indeed.
When you be coy. Oh, I will go for that.
You go for you. Send your honey, baby, di master to
to me, besides, when you be coy, say be a coy, and also you be coy. Me, mamma, must meant mamma. I don't know. That's why I need to make master to know when you be uncommon master study. Oh, I need to.
Which young lady?
It may be a dear so dear. And I hold on, coy, I have been night.
No coy,
Ah, now I'm Samasi.
Oh, Opoku. Messi me coy, now one back class, and who been in here will be baby sours.
Was it ever?
Oh, here no baby sours.
Even who in your class, a class of one mamma say. Ah, Mamma, don't move better could be. I'll be not at me who yan. You can't send me.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Please, can you excuse us for a minute?
Can I excuse you for a minute?
Yes.
But you come, I'm standing with someone, I'm talking to the person. How can I excuse?
Senior Wilson, want to have a conversation with Dennis. Please, just excuse me, please.
But you want to have a conversation with me, you two come on my conversation.
Opoku. Excuse me. Oh, I want to have a conversation with Dennis. Excuse me.
Yaru now, I bet to say me classmate didn't come on. Oh, catch him say, oh, Nini Pani won't come on, Tino. Me excuse you. I don't him say, Nini Pani the class won't come.
Opoku, when I came, I was calm. I gave you the necessary respect that you deserve. Please, just go. Let me have a conversation. It's a private conversation.
Oh,
Opoku, go and let me talk to her.
Oh, shout.
What is that?
I am sure soon you are shouting me.
You will slap me.
You are shouting at me.
Opoku.
Bennett. Me.
Opoku.
No, you are shouting. She's shouting at me.
He.
Am I a children?
No, you are not a kid.
And you are shouting at me.
Oh, senior Wilson, I beg. Just excuse me.
You shouting? You are shouting at me.
No, I'm not.
You are shouting at me. Oh, no problem. You can have your conversation, yeah?
Opoku later.
Have a nice day.
Okay, you too.
Senior, can you excuse me? We are having a conversation.
Dennis.
Also, that was too much.
What did I do?
No, Tiana. You saw senior, and you're nice.
Dennis, why were you standing here with Opoku?
But I was waiting for you.
You were waiting for me or you were waiting for Opoku?
I was waiting for you, Mama.
But you were here with Opoku and have you forgotten who Opoku is?
By.
Hey, Dennis.
He was passing by.
He's going to sell us. He's going to sell us.
I don't care. I was just waiting for you, so
what's up?
Has nothing to do with it.
Did you get it?
The food?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
What food?
Rice.
Oh, but Dennis, you know I don't like rice.
Since when?
Since when you've always known this, Dennis. Dennis. Me. You've been with me for this long and you know my favorite food. Why would
your favorite food? Is this rice and
my favorite food is you, Dennis. You know that you are my favorite food, Dennis.
Hey, you have a favorite food. Is she a cook?
Sir, no. Sir, you were talking about rice.
Hey!
Sir.
Hey! How many times have I warned you over this girl?
Sir, countless, sir.
Countless?
Yes, sir.
But you're bold enough to face me, so you don't care, isn't it?
Sir,
You don't mind,
sir, no,
right?
Sir, no.
You're not...
Sir.
Jesus Christ!
Foolish boy.
What is wrong? Sir, why? Are Oh, small boy. Why?
My eye.
Sir, what have you done? Sir, now who na say students e ko a wo be pata no. Who mom na students e ko. Headmaster.
Who? I'll sack you from this room.
Sir.
Can I patch my Jimmy? Assembly.
Opoku, is it something? We are just standing there.
It's not something. It's not something. It's not
Sir.
It is a what problem? Tell me.
It's nothing, right?
Sir, I beg you, sir.
Yeah.
Go and bring your parents.
Sir.
Go and bring your parents.
Sir.
Assembly. Can I make
Opoku, we were just here talking about food.
Stand up.
Benny's bought rice for me. And I was coming here to claim it. Me, did I say?
Excuse you. Satan. Naka kebia mo afena no.
Opoku.
So you did that?
Give me.
What is that here?
Has it got into that? Hey, Benny.
Headmaster, relax. Headmaster, relax. Headmaster. Dear Sama. Come on, but two na minu jana me ko na yere. Oh, headmaster.
Foolish boy.
Hey, there, man. Me cry minimum me champ cry and say, me dey abato some more kono e mo akra.
Into ofin no ba.
Na headmaster also ofin. Headmaster was school mo abusam to ofin.
Hey, Bennis.
Say me there,
Bennis.
asisi am free akwa headmasters abaha no nwanwa kra o eba say wo bedwin se bia am ko friend bai
wo sa get we off wallahi I swear me kasa hu bi ahu na me ntua me ka
me ndwe me hu ede na yehu
get we me kasa hu bio na wiase asai
headmaster we dia wo de ya na kasa we dia mi am hu say wo di broken heart na
I swear me kasa hu bio
o ya de abeka yawo ne wo mu na de kasa o ti de akwa ne kan o so wo mi do fro
bage wrong me training nyansa me chambusu ma edu mabru school fees on pay me na me na tua I swear
if it's about school on school fees da but yet no really secret ano about school on school fees da and I want master me
tell no what you ginger me to I swear again me na tua
only people ni jina there money na so there wo broken heart money na so ansa money na so hu me na ma reaction money na so na me ha there say free some mood ni broken heart mood na money na so na mini opoku me a
talk at him free me so call Jimmy
still a home me person say money na so na hu ni pa ni jina akwa ni school fees da say na me take 50 cedi abatwa ba si so no. Oh wow. Say why are there papa.
Benis.
When the Benis na ti school mo yin na ye student no. Akwa ni ntwa school fees da.
O so dey ya. Where Jimmy ana?
Say, me da me ma wadini. Che boy no are na adu to bet na te when je school ma woni. Akwa no e be ya kuni free. Kuni free school ma. Say enya de foforo ye bia obi ye be we school ana school student foforo be we school ni pa baako
mempeji me pen kwata say
say na so we enya de foforo
we Jimmy ana
say they do them make my come out at you da bi na o ya de me ka o ja no na akwai na blokiat na to afaso no o ti mi nya mi foko Dabi. Sete ma hu anu aduro. Ana ma hu so wo broken heart. Ta uti na mi o. Doku so. Me meti ti wo sumo. Me nya hu anu aduro. Ena pa yi me. Ama pra ke to we ama broken heart.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Me nya girl na. What tune ni esi so say oni na ho. E ma de meti. Enye no kore.
But too many esi uni age so.
Ti ni me ka me si me nya girl no. E ma de meti ti enye no kore.
Me ba. Uni age be mi.
Flower.
Because
flower.
Na butiro flower ni o mu pipi o hure. Your rose flower, your red flower, your green flower, white flower.
Sunflower de chi agwa no. We are there. You see me young girl flower. And madie, mekela and madie meditating yen okure.
I didn't know
where Jimmy home?
Asim oh.
Me say, and na me we so ti, and I'm your school drop out. And ka brilliant guy to say me. Me we won't na me call get to. Me we and I'm imagine say me bo me pere nyina dia hwe no. Na kenya asema ko ba onim an bra wa buchire die. And ka woni no. Why go fat say?
No, kan kwa me mayira wo.
Unya Jimmy so ayira. Me fa me say ka wasa na. Ayi wala for the flower.
And them make MC no busama sem keke so there. O busama sem twa fa so.
Nice one.
Je mo wa say o ka say menini direct.
Oh nice. De na me pesa metia no. So say only she. And I know what else. Dia sam na me pesa metia. But say sa. Those who look away, Jimmy.
You see where me the whole team warning.
Me to warning no. Me threaten. We no warning.
Say my head.
Me see. On him. When na good you know. My space in brem.
Ni akwa na wa kwa babo
nice one.
Me ni wona ba.
Na one bit na yi ne trof wadi. Me na mention bako be ka kire me on. Dey me ka chon na tie. Me see on him. A good year now need you. Your tea auntie, you who you go for a friend and Prakat and say, who's will be now?
Senior. Akwa no me na madam funu no. Me twam na ogina no wo bisa masem keke na me tu fa.
I feel you want to say rose flower.
Ah?
I feel you want to say rose flower.
Still akwa me hu flower akwa wo kan.
Ati.
Still akwa me hu nipa kwa wo kan.
Na makache no. Ehia
Wu nua ne flower.
E ma me bere nyina nya kwa.
E ba ne san na wu nua be ye na za asem bisa. E mo
ni pe ni pa na.
Nipa nua na ni nipa na me bisa se ba ne san.
Die be ntina flower ntimi nyimi nua ba.
O se me na busa wo en fa question ni ma no.
Okay.
E ba ne san na ye wu nua ba.
Me ba choma me ne baba na wo no. Oyo okay.
Aha.
Ati. Ba ni me kan ntina kan me ba na me hia wo.
Tunu no na pen.
Stop asking me questions. Hey,
Okoko ben pa. Senior, okoko ben pa o.
Me news but. Oh me come into my din. So why away?
Me de minim de so me.
Okay. So tieni de waka nyina mate. Sana mpese eye. Uni mi hwia. So be. Manenye sa. When na good yin so no. Me muwa. Emi tu agache wa. Karaji.
Ashewori.
Neche bakana ji woti ye
aji
bara ho
timinti na wo ba school no
papa wati enya wuti
asembu sa afọ ni na bibi ntokwa waka asembu se kana ji mi se na aji mate
ene no anu twaso
ose se le cd hit guy no ose se kai kura me a ose ka me de ba wo onya obi a ho odin bi ana ehuhuru no awuhuru ehuhuru ena wa wuhuru kwa ye betima adwo no fresh to go nuane flower asema na me ko fa to mu su di nuane flower me bo me tini me biase flower unim blana fen to bo What are you first of all? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Chineke God.
How do I do?
Yeah, mistake when man sir. No, I don't know. Oya nkura no masa.
I dey asem.
Na dem so nyanu tubo na me pa opening.
I don't win him.
Na me dem.
Eh, 90 ano so ise me church mabusu mu.
90 me pa no nyanta so be ka tem se obra ni tubo. Ana me pa onu nyanta so do obusuafo nya pictures be kire me.
Me for obusuafo pictures in kire. Eh, wo ha.
Kere wo kire.
How do I all day?
Na se me bo. Asem me kura na mdem akotumi. Ebade Nyankopon. Na se Nyankopon kura na boa me a me bo adwen se obusuani bia ka se ebusa se be ma be na nyema ka se boy no abuchiri. Na se kenya no anka tubo nim se me no nyam. Se na me life aba ende ano no.
No kra no pe ho asem wo hono. Ni ma du wo ha wo ye ni. Ti e di be sia kopim na be.
Flower ene mesre wo. Flower. Se die obusuafo obi anim se o boy ana de o se onyinsen no. E wa abuchiri no. Manene saa. Flower. Obusuafo nya ti king se ye me kofi poko a me life a ende. E ba sa akwa na o da yem no be fatherless. Obaba wi asususu oni papa. Mesre wo.
Ria zuma kanisa.
Obusuafo nya ti ase wo na mawu.
No ya me kama mi na bu.
Ena me kire se emmo nipa dasani bi akra mane se me no nanyam. Apart from se me no mienu se me no nanyam. Emmo nipa dasani bi atemi sew.
Na akra ni nyina yi.
Sawa he. Until say mede me ho a me skeni no. Enyim anim se me be ma na me nyim wo no sew. Akra no be 100 years kra na akra no be 10 years kra na se minya iska me sew enyim anim. Ora mask me sa mask me. Mama ni mu nhwo se me a. Sawa, de o yin bia me ya ma o yin sika me be ma. But omo busa wa, mo nya we se boy na ono nyem no abuchiri. E no na me hwe fi wo. E flower me to. Sawa, wi ase sin hu stefo na so kire no. Sawa me no wan ka me nyem. E na me no so an ka nyem ye no. Ka me so ka me ja wasi. Me don ti na still am da so no ti. O frɛ na wo piska me de ma flower me still my mind so wo ya de na ba wo na me gina so ayo ho ade flower mother se bibia ante Send me no.
Who dada?
Flower nya dada. Anya dada. Flower, so.
When you 2 boy all day.
2 boy now who is an oil brandy. Now who him 2 boy? Why are you bla in the cases? Who him the records?
Don't know she.
Every obra who didn't know Miss Row. Or you didn't simple. Sebeba trim pose kan kra ubra de o de nka kra nka emo obi ante misraw flower ye wenfu ama me fra me so me shawbo fra me ba eno 100 na me de ma anasa mami send bi nka why we dey come me de ma week but mami send am receive nka why na this week di 200 cedi why flower misraw nka why
e Opoku no
flower me pa wase
Leze 2 bonti na send miskei.
Oh, you so obra pa ni tubo.
Ah, if number baba.
Obra pa. Aji ono so be woda be. Ono so nyama many months. Ono so nyama many months.
Ade, me do ka me ya me.
Oh, I agro. Masende.
Yeah, me when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso.
Sure, any money. Sa yaro bi na owo musku mu ono no. The wire drain the friends e kwa. Yaro be. Akoya ni tini uti ye pe ye friends e. Opoku. Mike.
Ade, why dey?
Mike. Oni sa akola won nkasa.
I don't know why dey.
Mike. Ono mimi ni yake tuona mi ma bono nka. Mimi yake tuona nyame ada Aroma. Wonya barima bi. Ene ne teno. Oh sorry oni.
Flower.
Yes.
Ade.
Mike. Oni so boku sorry a. Ye fi ono na oti. Opoku. Na hunu 2 times. Twice. E we fi o.
Na akoya na de ha no.
Mike, di o te ya nte di ohun ye hu. No obi akofo na ko frɛ. Bi ni anu ekunu ane ne nyem no. Na ko fa problem aba.
Ade oni na nukunu e.
Ona so wabuchiri.
Nukunu no wabuchi.
Sa na ono akora na.
Anti wa fro ma ane na kasada.
Debi on frame but na so onya akora. Ana we ono onim di oye. O ti ase. Jesus afre na asa na me na kasa.
Okay.
But enye ne kwa na me paka. Me see oni yaro ni nkasa.
Me boy we na nkasa me nsidin ni na adwen. Because no complaints aba me ho no ja anya nko ahụ.
Wajimi ara na obetu na ni asimi ni aso.
Ana me kan. Se de wo ka se obi a woni ayukunu wa bo kire. Ebia ni oti bibi fa ho sisi a bibi different this monations. This monations like brofo a organize eba. You maybe on my hadwen. Unfortunately, you have some things that is going on people don't like. Ebi na hell no how?
Mike. Odi ona wo school mo.
Jimmy.
Oni ninkasa. Esa be disable phone be school mo no ma ho.
Let's vago.
Me se me disable phone. Mike go dey class mas let's vago.
I give you on ma be twa nkosi ba bia.
Oni ninkasa.
Me ne be kasa.
On twi nani. Ana so on twi na ho firi me nua ma.
Let's vago. Alright. Me ne be kasa, let's vago. Alright.
Mate.
Is your money nya there? Me ana. O me dem say kushi school.
Na obi a me no wadi nkomo sa nua ma no bra.
Pacho twensa. Alright.
Mike.
Ade na mo a moton nua ma na amode nua ma force ye too much. To oi.
Baba is o de chin.
Baba be dia koton.
Is o de chin chem.
No send there. Una onya post and kan ti kan chi chen ho.
Post no on your moton.
Se we wo confirm beton amon wana.